Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا فِي كُلِّ قَرْيَةٍ أَكَابِرَ مُجْرِمِيهَا لِيَمْكُرُوا فِيهَا وَمَا يَمْكُرُونَ إِلَّا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ. Translation: And as such, in every city we have made its leaders from their most wicked men who conspire mischiefs in it, but in fact their plot and conspiracy is only against themselves to their own harm, though they do not realize. This is an important topic to be understood, and this must be very clear in our hearts that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the forces of truth, the forces of good, and the forces of evil, and the forces of falsehood. And somebody who is doing a crime is doing crime because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has allowed that. And if Allah does not allow, no criminal can do any crime. Similarly, if somebody is doing any good job, it is happening because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is allowing that. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not will, He cannot do a good thing, a good job, a good deed. So, in summary, this is very important to understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this universe and given all humans an opportunity to go on the straight path, or to go straight from the straight path, to do a good deed or to do a bad deed, to do a noble action or to do a crime. And an individual makes his own decision whether he is going to do a good action or if he is going to do a crime. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not force any good action or any crime to anyone, but whoever chooses a path for himself, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allows that, and that results that in every city, in every town, there are big criminals that have chosen the path of crime for their lives, and they keep going forward in that path so that they become the biggest criminals. And these biggest criminals try to conspire mischief in other people. They try to attract other people towards them, and they try to make different plots and conspiracies to attract other people in their clans. They forget that they are doing these things which are harmful for themselves. It is not going to help them. It is going to cause them very severe punishment. But they think that they are doing a good job and they continue doing it. So whenever anyone is calling people towards the teachings of a prophet, the criminals try to make different arguments, just like when Pharaoh make an argument that Musa is trying to get the government and the power on the basis of his magic. But this argument only worked for those who were criminals and crooked-minded themselves. The mu'mineen and the believers did not get impressed with this argument. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, give us the straight path. Oh Allah, remove all the opportunities of crime and sins from our lives so that we do not fall in the trap of crimes and sins. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.